Here we've got the Holtzman Gorilla Survival multi-tool gift set. It includes the main multi-tool along with this Swiss Army style multi-tool knife and a leather pouch. So we're going to go through some of these tools right here. We're going to start with the big one first. First off, one of my favorite things about this is without having to really work it in, it just comes easy to unfold. It's got needle nose pliers, it's got a wire cutter, it's got bottle opener, can opener, it's got a small flathead screwdriver, it's got a larger size flathead screwdriver along with double-sided nail file. On the other side, it's got main blade, a small Phillips head screwdriver, but normally with this type of tool you're not going to be doing anything that requires a Phillips head screwdriver bigger than that, and a small flathead screwdriver. You've also got a saw, not as sharp as I've seen some of these saws, but I think it's sharp enough to do what you're going to be doing with it. And all of these tools do lock into place. Let me show you how that right here. One thing I do like about it is it's an easy release to unlock them. So that again. All right. It is not just the knife that locks in, it is every tool on here locks in, which I really appreciate because a lot of the multi-tools I've used before, the only thing that locks in are the blades. So then when you're using one of the screwdrivers, it tends to fold up. On this one, all of the tools lock in using that same lock mechanism, which again is easy to release. On the needle nose pliers, they bounce back, and the wire cutter is good and sharp, making easy work of that zip tie. On the smaller multi-tool here, which is kind of akin to a Swiss Army knife, you've got a corkscrew, a fingernail file, a Phillips head screwdriver. On the other side, you've got a can opener, a bottle opener, scissors, which once you pull them out have a bounce back. And just to show a little test here, they cut cardstock pretty easy. All right, put it away, you just close that back, and you've got another saw, more of a wood saw, and the main blade on this multi-tool. It is stainless steel, similar plastic outside like most of these style knives have. It has a keychain. I really like the logo for this brand. It is a gorilla, and it's on the those pliers here etched and then printed on this knife.